Hi friends, this is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer. Once again in the YouTube today, I am going to explain one of the emerging and trending technology, IT, information technology, infrastructure, landscape overview. So, before going into that emerging technology, before going into that emerging technology, I want to make you some awareness and I want to ask you some questions. What do you mean IT infrastructure and IT landscape, and what do you mean overall information technology capabilities? So here I am going to give you some awareness for all above questions and questionnaires. So directly I am then jumping into the session, information technology infrastructure landscape overview. So here this technology is mainly based on this technology is mainly based on three factors. One factor is software, networking, hardware. These are the three important things. In order to structure and monitor the performance and complexities of IT infrastructure, for that purpose, IT IT landscape is used. So, in order to make you understand in real time scenario terms, IT infrastructure overview session is going to give you a formality and a application, a well tuned performance. So I mean to say, you have to you have to provide a document, and you have to provide a outline in real time terms in order to maintain the structure of IT organization. I want to take one example called some X organization is there. So in order to build that X organization, you need a landscape and overview. So what are the assets, and what are the internet resources, and what are the capabilities, and what are the landscape benefits like networking, servers, and computer services, hardware services. So these are all the main things. These are all the main things I want to say. Three important things: software, hardware, and networking. These are the main things that is going to build the landscape of X organization, as I told. So now I am directly coming to the benefits of IT infrastructure landscape overview. So benefits are, it's very scalable and very reliable, resourceable. These are the main benefits of IT infrastructure landscape overview. So so vastly this technology and trending technology is vastly used in now upcoming automated projects and upcoming complex business applications, in order to give the uh, outline and landscape, how to build, what are the assets, what are the internet resources, and what are the computer resources, what are the network resources. So now I want to tell you, this technology IT infrastructure landscape overview is applicable and applied in all IT organizations, like companies called Google, Tech Mahindra, and Shape Conquer, and Soft Vision. These are the companies. The IT infrastructure landscape overview is used and it is applicable. So it will tell the document and overview how to build the software and how to give the a fine tuned technology and fine tuned product to the client. So now I am winding up the session here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Bye for now. I will catch up later with another trending technology. Thank you very much.